Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on simplify the following Boolean functions using 4-variable Karnaugh map. Okay, so in the previous video we are already discussed about how to represent the minterms and maxterms in 4-variable Karnaugh map. Okay, now in this video we have to solve how to simplify or reduce or minimize the following Boolean function using 4-variable Karnaugh map. Okay. So here f of w comma x comma y comma z is equal to sigma m of 0, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 13 and 15. So sigma means sum of, small m means minterms. So sum of minterms 0, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 13 and 15. So the given function contains how many number of variables? 4 variables w, x, y, z. So that is n is equal to 4. Number of variables is equal to 4. How many number of cells or squares present in 4 variable Karnaugh map? So 2 power n, that is 2 power 4, that is equal to 16 possible cells or squares. Okay, so this is the 16 cells or squares present in 4 variable Karnaugh map. That 4 variables can be written as, so row wise wx and column wise yz we have to write. So wx, yz are 4 variables. First 2 variables can write on row wise and the next 2 variables can be write on column wise. So these 2 variables can take either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here we have to follow the gray code. Okay. Here also 2 variables are there, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. These are the 4 possibilities. Okay. Next one, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this square represents the decimal equivalent value 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 3. 0, 0, 1, 0. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 2. Next 0, 1, 0, 0. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 4. 0, 1, 0, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 5. 0, 1, 1, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 7. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 6. 1, 1, 0, 0. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 12. 1, 1, 0, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 13. 1, 1, 1, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 15. 1, 1, 1, 0. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 14. 1, 0, 0, 0. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 8. 1, 0, 0, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 9. 1, 0, 1, 1. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 11. 1, 0, 1, 0. This square represents the decimal equivalent value 10. Okay. Once we are representing each and every cell by the corresponding decimal equivalent, then we have to place these minterms at the corresponding cells by inserting the value 1. Okay. First, 0th minterm. The corresponding cell is here. We are inserting the value 1. Next one, 4. The corresponding cell is here. 4th minterm, the corresponding cell here, we are inserting 1. Next minterm 5. Here the corresponding cell is 5. We are inserting the value 1. Next one 7. We are inserting 1. 8. We are inserting 1. 9. We are inserting 1. Next 13. We are inserting 1. Next 15. We are inserting 1. Okay. So how many number of ones are there? 8 ones are there. Okay. 8 ones are not adjacent here. So that there is no possibility of getting octet. Octet means 8 adjacent ones. Okay. So here these 4 ones here 2 ones are there, here 2 ones are there. Okay. 8 ones are not adjacent. So that there is no possibility of getting octet. Next priority given for quad. Quad means adjacency of 4 ones. Okay, that means 4 adjacent ones. Okay, here we have to observe 1, 1, 1, 1. So these 4 ones are adjacent. So they can be formed as a quad. Okay, these 4 ones can be formed as a quad. Okay. After these 4 ones can be formed as a quad, here 2 ones are there, here 2 ones are there. Okay, so these 2 ones and these 2 ones cannot be adjacent. Okay, so that there is no possibility of getting quad. Next priority given for pair. Okay, now these 2 ones are adjacent, they can be formed as a pair. Next, these 2 ones are adjacent in column wise, they can be formed as a pair. These 2 ones are adjacent in row wise. Okay, so they can be formed as a pair. These 2 ones are adjacent in column wise, so that they can be formed as a pair. So now all 8 ones are covered. So now we have to find out the minimal expression for each and for this quad and this pair and this pair. Okay, so first we have to check for find out the minimal expression for this pair. Okay, so what are the variables are there? W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so this one means 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0 0. Next this one means 1 0 column wise 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Okay, so now what is the expression we are getting? So under W column all are ones, so that we have to consider that column. In that column what is the W value? 1, so that we have to write W. Under X column contains only zeros, so that we have to consider that column. In that column X value 0 means X bar we have to write. Under Y column only zeros are there, we have to consider that column. In that column Y value 0 means we have to write Y bar. Under Z column combination of zeros and ones are there, we ignore that column. What is the expression we are getting for the pair? W X bar Y bar. Okay, next one. For this pair we have to write the minimal expression. Okay, so W X Y Z. This one, so row wise 0 0, column wise 0 0. So 0 0 0 0. For this one, row wise 0 1, column wise 0 0. 0 1 0 0. Okay. Under W column only zeros are there, we have to consider that column. In that column W value 0 means we have to write W bar. Under X column combination of zeros and ones are there, we have to ignore that column. Under Y column only zeros are there, we have to consider that column. In that column Y value 0 means Y bar. Under Z column only zeros are there, we have to consider that column. So in that column Z value 0 means Z bar. So what is the expression we are getting? W bar, Y bar, Z bar. Okay. Next one. For this quad, what is the expression we are getting? So W, X, Y, Z. Okay. For this one, row wise 0, 1, column wise 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. For this one, row wise 0, 1, column wise 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. For this one, row wise 1, 1, column wise 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. For this one, row wise 1, 1, column wise 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is the expression we are getting? Under W column, combination of zeros and ones are there, so that we have to ignore that column. Under X column, only ones are there, we have to consider that column. In that column, X value 1 means that is X we have to write. Under Y column, combination of zeros and ones are there, we have to ignore that column. Under Z column, only ones are there, we have to consider that column. In that column, Z value 1 means we have to write Z. Okay. So observe each and every column. Any column contains a combination of zeros and ones, we have to ignore that column. Any column contains only zeros, we have to consider that column. Any column contains only ones, we have to consider that column. So therefore, what is the minimal expression we are getting? F of W comma X comma Y comma Z is equal to, so first one XZ, second one this one W bar, Y bar, Z bar, third one W, X bar, Y bar. So this is the expression we are getting. Okay. Next we go for another problem. Okay. So here 4 variables, row wise Wx, column wise Yz, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. These are the cell numbers. 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay. Now, what are the min terms we are given in the given problem? F of Wxyz is equal to sigma m of 0, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 15. So, at the corresponding min terms, okay, at the corresponding, for the given min terms, at the corresponding cells, we are inserting value 1. So, 0 min term, the corresponding cell is 0 cell, we are inserting value 1. Value 1. Fifth min term, the corresponding cell is 5th cell, we are inserting 1. Sixth min term, the corresponding cell is 6, we are inserting 1. Seventh min term, the corresponding cell is 7, we are inserting 1. 11th min term, the corresponding cell is 11th cell, we are inserting 1. 12th min term, the corresponding cell is 12, we are inserting 1. 13th min term, the corresponding cell is 13, we are inserting 1. 15th min term, the corresponding cell is 15th cell, we are inserting 1. Okay. So here we are inserting 8 ones, but 8 ones are not adjacent, so that there is no possibility of getting octet. Octet means 8 adjacent ones. So these 8 ones are not adjacent, hence we can say that there is no possibility of getting octet. Next one, next priority given for quad. Quad means adjacency of 4 ones. That means 4 adjacent ones. Okay. So these 4 ones can be formed as a quad because these 4 ones are adjacent. Okay. Next remaining 4 ones are not adjacent. Hence, we can say that there is no possibility of getting another quad. Okay. Next priority given for pair. Okay. So this one is paired with this one already in the quad. Okay. So this one can be combined with this one, that can be formed as a pair. Next one, so this one can be combined with this one in the quad, so they can be formed as a pair. They can be formed as a pair. Next one, this one can be combined with this one in the quad, they can be formed as a pair. But this one and this one cannot be formed as a pair. Okay, so this is only individual one. This is called as singleton. Okay, so this one cannot be combined with any one. Okay, hence we can say that this can be called as a singleton. Singleton. Okay, now what is the expression we are getting from this quad and 3 pairs and 1 singleton? Okay, so now for this one, first for this one, what is the expression we are getting? First we have to write variables w, x, y and z. Okay, so this one means row wise 1 1, column wise 1 1, 1 1 1 1. This one means row wise 1 0, column wise 1 1, 1 0 1 1. Okay, what is the expression we are getting? Under W column only ones are there. We have to consider that column. In that column W value 1 means we have to write W. Under X column combination of zeros and ones are there. We have to ignore that column. Under Y column it contains only ones. We have to consider that column. In that column Y value 1 means we have to write Y. Under Z column it contains only ones are there. We have to consider that column. In that column Z value 1 means Z. So for this pair, what is the expression we are getting? W, Y, Z. Okay. Next, for this pair, what is the expression we are getting? Okay. So W, X, Y, Z. For this one, row wise 0 1, column wise 1 1. 0 1 1 1. For this one, row wise 0 1, column wise 1 0. 0 1 1 0. What is the expression we are taking? So under W column only zeros are there. We have to consider that column. In that column W value 0 means W bar. Under X column contains only ones. We have to consider that column. In that column X value 1 means X. Under Y column it contains only ones. We have to consider that column. Y value 1 means we have to write Y. Under Z column combination of zeros and ones are there. We have to ignore that column. Okay. So what is the expression we are getting? W bar X Y. Next one. For this one. So W X Y Z. Okay. For this one, row wise 1 1, column wise 0 0, 1 1 0 0. For this one, row wise 1 1, column wise 0 1, 1 1 0 1. Okay. Under W column only ones are there. We have to consider that column. Under X column only ones are there. We have to consider that column. Under Y column only zeros are there. We have to consider that column. Under Z column combination of zeros and ones are there. We have to ignore that column. In the W column W value 1 means we have to write W. Under X column X value 1 is means X. Under Y column Y value 0 means Y bar. Under Z column, combination of zeros and ones are there. We have to ignore that column. Okay. Next one, this quad. Okay. So we have to write W, X, Y, Z. Okay. For this one, row wise 0, 1, column wise 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. For this one, row wise 0, 1, column wise 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. For this one, row wise 1, 1, column wise 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. For this one, row wise 1, 1, column wise 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Under W column, combination of zeros and ones are there. We have to ignore that column. Under Y column, combination of zeros and ones are. We have to ignore that column. Under X column, only ones are there. We have to consider that column. In that column, X value 1 means X. Under Z column, only ones are there. We have to consider that column. In that column, Z value 1 means we have to write Z. So for this quad, what is the expression we are getting? XZ. So what are the minimal expression we are getting from this one quad and 3 pairs and 1 singleton is there. So what is the expression we are getting? So this one means row wise 0, 0, column wise 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that is equal to W, this is a W, X, Y, Z. So all are 0 means W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Okay. So first quad. Quad, what is the expression we are getting? XZ plus this pair WXY bar, WXY bar. Next for this pair WYZ. For this pair W bar XY. For this singleton W bar X bar Y bar Z bar. Okay, so this is the expression we are getting after simplifying this Boolean function using 4 variable Karnaugh map. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So DIVVELA SRINIVASA. In this Karnaugh map, okay, so we can form in this way also. These 4 ones can be formed as a quad, and this one can be formed as a pair. Next, this one can be formed as a pair, and this single one and this single one can be formed as a pair. In this way also we have to solve the given problem. Okay, there is no problem at all. In both ways we can solve the given problem. So answer is slight changing. Okay, thank you.